Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make delicious potato leek soup. First, gather your ingredients. You'll need about 3 large leeks, 2 pounds of potatoes, and 6 cups of chicken or vegetable broth. Don't forget 2 tablespoons of butter, 1/2 cup of heavy cream, and salt and pepper to taste. Having everything ready makes the cooking process smooth and enjoyable, ensuring a perfect soup every time. Now, let's prepare our vegetables. Start by thoroughly cleaning your leeks. Remove the tough dark green tops and slice the white and light green parts into thin rounds. Next, peel and dice your potatoes into roughly 1-inch cubes so they cook evenly. In a large pot, melt 2 tablespoons of butter and sauté the sliced leeks over medium heat until they are tender, which usually takes about 5 minutes. This step builds a flavorful base. Once your leeks are softened, it's time to add the potatoes and broth to the pot. Bring this mixture to a boil, then reduce the heat, cover, and let it simmer gently for 15 to 20 minutes. The potatoes should be very tender when pierced with a fork. After simmering, use an immersion blender to puree the soup directly in the pot until it reaches your preferred creamy consistency. You can also use a regular blender in batches. For the final touches, stir in 1/2 cup of heavy cream to enrich the soup's texture and flavor. Taste and adjust the seasoning with salt and freshly ground black pepper until it's perfect for you. Serve your delicious potato leek soup hot, perhaps garnished with some fresh chives or a swirl of olive oil. It's a comforting meal perfect for any occasion. Don't forget to check the description for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.